I've always loved the song Baby Mine from Disney's Dumbo. You know the one? When I sing, "You'll come to me," and all the songs I've VA sung to you will live on and on. Well, there's something about that song and its message that really resonates with today's episode because you know what? Whales sing and their songs are pretty darn catchy. Take a listen to this. Seriously, isn't that haunting and beautiful? And did you notice how long it took for that sound to fade away? That low rumble can travel hundreds of kilometers through the ocean at a nearly instantaneous rate. But how? How can sound travel so far under the sea? Sound travels as a wave of pressure through a medium such as air or water. And just like light waves, these sound waves have a speed that's determined by the medium they're traveling through. In air, sound waves move at around 343 meters per second. It's about 1,250 kilometers an hour. In water, however, sound moves much faster. Between 1,400 and 1,500 meters per second, about 5,000 kilometers an hour. And that's why you can hear a whale song from so far away. But whales aren't just using sound to communicate with each other. They use sound to find food, to navigate, and yes, to communicate. Different species of whales use different sounds. Humpback whales, for example, are known for their haunting songs that can be over 20 minutes long. These songs are made up of a variety of sounds, including moans, groans, and whistles. The songs are produced by both male and female humpbacks, but only the males sing when it's time to breed. Male humpbacks gather together in groups during the breeding season, and they take turns singing. And you better believe that competition is fierce. Just like birds singing to attract a mate, the louder a male humpback song, the more likely it is to attract a female. And the songs aren't just loud, they're complex. Scientists have identified over 1,000 different units of sound in humpback. Whale songs and the songs are constantly evolving. Like it's not unusual for a new sound to pop up in a whale song one year that wasn't there the year before. Some scientists even think that whales might learn new sounds by copying each other. If that's true, then whales are the only animals besides humans that can acquire new sounds by listening to others. So whales have their own form of musical culture. How cool is that? And it's not just humpback whales that are chatty. Dolphins make a wide range of sounds, including whistles, clicks, and bursts of air. These sounds are used for echolocation, which is a form of navigating by using sound waves to map out their surroundings. A dolphin sends out a sound wave and then listens for the echoes to bounce back. This allows them to create a map of their environment and also find prey. Sounds are all around us, and we usually don't give them a second thought. But for a whale, sounds are a vital part of its survival. Sounds can help whales find food, navigate, communicate, and attract mates. Unfortunately, these days there are a lot of sounds in the ocean that whales didn't make. Ship noise, for example, is one of the biggest sources of ocean noise pollution. And that pollution is increasing as more ships are built and as those ships get bigger. The problem is that noise pollution can interfere with all aspects of a whale's life. It can make it harder for them to communicate, find food, or navigate. It can even damage their hearing. Protecting whales from noise pollution is important, not just for their sake, but for ours. Whales are an important part of our planet's ecosystem. And by protecting them, we're also protecting the ocean and the planet as a whole. I mean, do you know any whale songs? Share your thoughts below because it's our community, and you know what? You are amazing. Thanks for being a part of this, and I'll see you next time.